Val, and I'm at Gray's Classic Cars, and this is a very unusual opportunity. It is an SSV Commodore Redline Ute, and it's brand new, and I mean brand new. It's done 173 kilometres. It is just as it come off the showroom, smells like a new car, is a new car. The tonneau cover for the back has never been out of its pouch, and it's new. So if you ever had a hankering for a new Aussie Ute, which you can't buy anymore, this is it. How cool is that? The great Australian Ute no longer exists. This is like an endangered species. So have a look at Gray's Classic Cars. It'll be up on Thursday night, so have a look at it, brand new. So the SSV Redline was the top of the range, all leather interior, sat nav, beautiful, like absolutely beautiful. It's got factory fitted mats. It's a new car, a brand new car. Yeah, so there it is, a brand new SSV Redline Commodore Ute. You don't find them every day.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.